Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Today we'll be taking a look at the Saint Laurent model SL333 in color code 001. It's a black color frame. The lenses are a black color. On the temples over here we have a Saint Laurent logo in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. And this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple, the Saint Laurent logo in silver. The shape of this frame is a fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Saint Laurent case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.